Hi friends, it's Linda here, and today I'd like to talk to you about something that's very near and dear to my heart. Every once in a while you have an encounter with nature that kind of stays with you for the rest of your life. There's always something in nature to spark your interest, and for me it was the common loon. There are so many cool things about them, but for starters, they're almost as big as a Canada goose. They're double the size of a mallard duck, and they just happen to be Ontario's provincial bird. They truly are a very special Canadian symbol of what nature's really all about here in Canada. Check this out. The common loon can be found in every province and territory in Canada, and they can live up to 30 years of age. But the most unique thing about them is their ability to dive. They can dive 70 meters deep into the water and stay under for 10 minutes long. They actually have some pretty cool physical features to make them good divers. The first one is that their bones are very solid, so much so that they weigh the same as a bald eagle does. And they also are able to blow air out of their lungs and flatten their feathers in order to release any air that's caught in their plumage to make them better swimmers. And because their legs are so far back on their body, they can't walk very well on land. So in order for them to fly, they actually need at least a 30-meter water runway to take off into flight. Once you've heard the call of a loon, you'll never forget it. They have 4 very specific calls that have 4 very specific purposes. Listen to these. That's all for now. Don't forget to get outside and enjoy nature.